everyone, welcome back to online lecture of Standard 10 History, Chapter 3 Applied History. What is applied history? Applied history is also known as public history. Applied history is a field of study concerned with the application of history for the benefit of people in the contemporary and future times. Knowledge of history is useful as it can provide guidance in finding solutions to contemporary social issues and incorporate them in the social planning. Knowledge of history is essential for this purpose. The projects and programs related to applied history can create opportunities for people to participate along with the technical experts. Their participation in the capacity of tourists visiting museums and ancient sites is also important. Tourism creates interest in history among people. Public history is also known as applied history. People have lot of misgivings about the practicality of the knowledge of history. Yes, now we move on to the next topic. Applied history and research in various fields. History is about the past events. The way our present lifestyle is shaped is dependent on the historical chain of events. Historical events relate to various fields like politics, social and religious structure of a community, philosophy, technology and science, etc. Each of these fields have their own history of building knowledge. The direction of future development in every field is dependent on the state of available knowledge. Now first we are going to study about philosophy. The history of philosophy helps in understanding the origin of various ideologies, the intellectual traditions giving rise to those ideologies and their historical development. Philosophy needs language as a medium of expression. In order to understand the philosophical expression, knowledge is useful. Now next is about science. The history of science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries, inventions and theories. It can also help to understand the cause-effect chain that led to those discoveries and inventions. It is said that need is a mother of inventions. Scientific discoveries, inventions are often the effects of human efforts to fulfill a need and also curiosity. These efforts are based on already available scientific knowledge. Knowledge of history of science helps in understanding the factors that facilitated a scientific discovery, invention and also its chronology. Now we move on to technology. The history of technology helps in understanding the changes and their causes in the field of agricultural production, commodity production, architecture, engineering, etc. Scientific discoveries, inventions and technological advancement are mutually dependent on each other. Knowledge of science and technology was very important at every step, from the making of stone tools to agricultural production, in the evolution of man. Later, the advancement of science promoted the mechanization of production. It is necessary to know the history of technology in order to understand the development of mechanization and the mutual dependence between science and technology.